How to join any Discord server without an invite. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to join any Discord server without an invite. First, open Discord and log in to your account. Once you're in, look for the list of Discord servers on the left side of the screen. Scroll through the available servers and find one that interests you. Then click on any server you like, and you will see an option to join. Click on Join Server. You'll be asked to accept the invite, so click on Accept Invite. Next, click on Continue to Discord, and you'll be taken to the server's main page. Now, you will see the server listed on the left sidebar. Click on it to enter the server. After that, Discord will ask where you found the server. Choose the appropriate option based on your discovery. Select the social media platform or source where you found the server. Next, Discord will ask about your interests. Now choose the categories that best describes your interests. Then, pick your preferred language. Finally, click on Finish, and you will be fully joined to the server. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.